Today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 432 different strategies, with 135 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was actually achieved using a live trading account, trading the Academy of Forex indicator on the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned in this video. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 331 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,054 indicators, with 440 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. And so the source video says this one indicator identifies both momentum, volatility, and trend. And so I'll give it to this, to the source video. It did use only one indicator. Often they say one indicator and then they do multiple indicators. And so, like I said, in that aspect, the source video was accurate. And since it is just a single indicator, we'll put it under the indicator testing instead of the strategy testing. And so the indicator we have on screen now, as you can see there at the bottom, is the dynamic price oscillator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings. Actually, we leave all the settings on default, but just double check that the length is on 33 and the smoothing factor is on 5. Then go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade, for example, and in the source video they give a few different ideas for how you can use this indicator, and I thought the best one to test first would be just the trend identification portion of the indicator. And so the source video said the way that you can use this to identify trend, so we are looking for the orange line right here to break above this band or below this band here. So technically we could go in, we could take out these other two bands, I think it's that one and that one, and we can bump up the opacity of the Bollinger High and the Bollinger Low, like so. And it is the dynamic price oscillator itself, the dynamic price oscillator line, that we are specifically looking at. And so what we're looking for is when that dynamic price oscillator line breaks out above this upper band or breaks down below this lower band, and that's supposed to be a confirmation of a trend direction. And so obviously when it breaks above the upper band, that's a long trend. And so you can see right here that we break above this upper band. It's just ever so slightly, kind of hard to see. If I zoom in real tight, you can see the orange line is above that green line. You can also look at the number coordinates right here, and if I hover over this candle, you can see that the orange number, which is the dynamic price oscillator line, is at 46,935, whereas the green line right here, which is that upper band, is at 46,900. So the orange line is just slightly above that green line. And so that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below this pivot area here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Will put us right about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, this one takes just a little bit. We just kind of bounce around there, but then we make this nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And then for a short trade, like I said, what we're looking for is that dynamic price oscillator line to break down below this lower red line. And again, if we hover over that line and you look at the number coordinates here, you can see that the orange number is at 48,877 and the red line is at 48,903. Now we need that orange line to be below that red line, so the number is less in this case. And so that's the confirmation there to enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area here, and we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. Went ahead and jumped forward on this one because it did take just a little bit longer than the other one to eventually come down, hit our take profit right here. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 18 winning trades and 32 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 36% win rate with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward. If you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,800. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,800 for an overall loss of $2,000 altogether. So in this aspect, definitely not the best way to trade this indicator. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, it did 47 trades altogether. We had 37 winning trades and 10 losing trades, putting that at a 77% win rate. If you are looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $22,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $12,000 for an overall gain of $10,200, so definitely better results. And if you'd use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would it increase the win rate significantly? The total gain would have been closer to the $22,000. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So just today, closed out winning trade number 57. I'll put that, a screenshot up of that trade on screen now, so that way you can take a look at that. It's 57 winning trades in a row using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. It's a very powerful combination. Again, 100% win rate over 3 months now, 57 winning trades in a row. And back testing, it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. And as a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord and look at the money back guarantee right here if that is something you are interested in. Alright, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list for now, and we'll move on to the next video from here.